Torrential Slide really is a mid-positioned cryptographic money as of now valued at $9.21 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $3.267,806,750 win in a significant manner. Over the past truly couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Torrential Slide, laid out an extremely impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, which is genuinely huge. A few institutional financial backers even truly consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and dealers for the most part are truly keen on digital currencies extremely, for example, Avax in light of the fact that this especially is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources in a real sense have the truly potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a somewhat sort of brief timeframe in an unobtrusive manner. These profits in every practical sense are out of reach in commonly different business sectors, which is the motivation behind why most really moderate financial backers for the most part are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Torrential Slide. While the groundbreaking ones for the most part give a critical piece of their kind of cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in spite of mainstream thinking. At this by and large specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Torrential Slide to the level at $9.21, where it right now sort of sits in a kind of significant manner. As currently referenced, Avax truly is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 24th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the especially metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in spite of prevalent thinking. On account of Torrential Slide, the market capitalization fundamentally remains at $3.267,806,750 win. The significance of this boundary will truly be basically made sense of later, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Our cost expectation calculation truly is planned in commonly such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to in every practical sense. Furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the sort of present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily sort of evaluate the condition of their portfolio and certainly choose whether or not it generally needs to truly be reconfigured in an unpretentious manner. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which truly is crucial for the really right assessment of both especially current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its genuinely present and future bearing, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Underneath you will find exceptionally key passages of this verifiable information, so you also could sort of have a comprehension of where the Torrential Slide market in every way that really matters is going in a significant way. Yesterday, on October 19, Avax generally was esteemed at $8.92 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Generally recall that cryptographic forms of money most certainly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a significant manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the expressed period in every way that really matters added up to 3.58% in an in every practical sense, enormous way. 7 days prior, on October 13, Torrential Slide generally was exchanged at $9.12 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that very near its truly present position, which in every practical sense is very huge. On September 20, which basically was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $9.22, the cost level that in a real sense is at the distance of 0.13% from where it as of now generally remains in an unpretentious manner. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX basically are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts. Market capitalization by and large is one more significant especially metric that especially assists merchants in every practical sense with deciding the fame of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities, or so they most certainly thought. It's likewise used to by and large evaluate the offer that Torrential Slide generally holds inside the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market in a genuinely significant manner. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization is fairly basic. The circling supply of the cash being referred to is increased by its ongoing cost, or so they basically thought. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Avax basically remains at $3,267,806,750 win. Enough to name it the 24th, actually the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on October 19, the market capitalization of Torrential Slide explicitly remained at $3,163,439,894 in an extremely significant manner. 7 days prior, on October 13, the capitalization of Avax truly was $3,233,496,709 in a kind of significant manner. A month prior, on September 20, how much by and large capital streaming around this specific market basically added up to $3,263,986,100 win in every practical sense, huge way. Most digital currency financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a by and large certain cryptographic money and its capacity to by and large endure disturbances, which in a real sense are the especially normal event on this profoundly unstable market in a sort of huge manner. It is exceptionally certain that the sort of previously mentioned market capitalization of Torrential Slide permits to in a real sense characterize it as the mid-cap digital money that has a place in the generally safe gathering, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Since we in every practical sense have previously referenced the recipe for working out the market capitalization, it would fundamentally be by and large fitting to give a piece of this report to the stock of Avax essentially. For certainly your data, there in every way that really matters, are three kinds of supply for essentially every digital money. The truly greatest stock, which generally implies the quantity of coins that would in a real sense be created on an extremely specific blockchain all through its presence, the all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the origin of the undertaking. The coursing supply, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in exceptionally different words, that are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The very most extreme stockpile of Torrential Slide is 720,000,000 Avax. The very all-out supply of Avax at present stands at 432,252,429 coins, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coursing supply of the digital currency under survey by and large is 354,876,249 Avax, so it is certain that the most certainly previously mentioned market capitalization of Torrential Slide permits to basically order it as the mid-cap cryptographic money that has a place in the OK gathering in an especially huge way. This Torrential Slide cost forecast wouldn't most certainly be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiries, since it is the sort of measurement utilized by practically all digital money dealers to especially affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move in an extremely enormous manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain in a real sense is happening on the rear of the kind of low exchanging volume, there especially isn't in every way that really matters high likelihood that this move for the most part is impractical and would in a real sense bring about a bullish snare, which by and large